Good evening, doctor. Now I will explain the exercise lab 3. First, I use these two library on my exercise, and I first define the stats from minimum. Minimum value of the stats is 3, and the maximum value of the stats is 20. And then all of the stats must equal to 60, the sum of the 5 stats. First, I define the structure for int str, dx, con, intl, ws, and cha. And I name it character.
So for next part, void randomize stats character and integer stats array 6 in integer sum equal to 0. So while sum not equal to total stats, and this is the loop, and it will run for 6 loop because integer I equal to 0, then integers more than 6 I plus plus. So for at beginning, we need to enter a number, then we will get the remainder of the number, then we equal times the stat max minus stat minimum plus 1. The stat max and stat minimum is a constant at defined in the beginning of the program, which is stat minimum 3 and stat maximum 20. So we will get 18 here, and plus the stat minimum, which is 3. And after that, sum plus equal to stats, which is the sum we get, and plus the stats. And this is the loop, how the loops run. And after that, for this C is the structure, and it points to stats 0, which is into this string, which defined at the beginning. And it's the same for second one, which is the structure C point to stats 1 into dx, and stats 2 point into con, and it's like this going on. So that's all for this loop.
And now I will explain about the void function. This is the print character C. So you can see this function is used to print the value of the character, the first xdr value, the dx value, the con value, int value, and then the wis value, and also the cha value. And then this is the address of the value. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about the main function here. And first, I will define for the number of character, and then we'll enter the number of character to prompt the user to enter the number of character they want. Then we'll scan. Here we'll scan the number in an integer type, and for here I will store the upper here the structure that the variable here into different number of character. Like the user want to create 3 characters, then we'll store in different store database here. And the malloc is actually to allocate the data into the number character here, like number character 1, 2, 3 in the sites. Next, we will make a loop here to look through like whether how much the user want to make the character. Like if here is 3, then there will be a 3 loop here. And the loop of the function that randomize state means to correct the random state here. Then we'll print character 1 here, character, and the number here. And we'll print character. The print character is a function for here. Print it like for here. Print the all the state here in the number. And here for the free character actually is to clear the data that we allocate in the malloc here, so that all the program will function more effectively.
And now I will show you about our code, how to run the code. Then when we run this code, it will prompt us to enter the number of character to create. So we randomly give a value, which is 2. You can see it's give us two character here with different value, which is randomly given. Yeah, the total of the value is 60. Yeah, that's all for our demo and our presentation. Thank you, Doctor.